Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. The beginning of fall brings us a wide variety of squash and gourds, commonly called winter squash. Technically they are fruits, but we generally prepare them as vegetables. Besides using pumpkin as a side dish or in a dessert, I decided to create something different instead. Here it is. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my spicy pumpkin pork chops. It's all about the sauce. It has a great combination of ingredients, and with the pork chops, the match is perfect. It is a delicious way to enjoy this protein as well as enjoying the squash. So my friends, let's get cooking. The first step is to season our pork chops generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. So now, in a large pan over medium heat, we'll add garlic infused oil. When roasting garlic, there are a few ways of doing it, and one of them is on the stovetop with oil. This is where I got it from, and to view it, here's the link on the top right corner of your screen. Otherwise, you can simply use canola oil. So when it's hot, we'll place our pork chops seasoned side down, because while that side is cooking, we'll season the other side with salt and pepper. We'll cook them until brown and then place the chops on a baking sheet and transfer to a 200-degree preheated oven to keep them warm while we're making the sauce. Still on medium heat, we'll add clarified butter, and when it gets hot, which won't take too long, we'll add red onions and saute until soft, about a minute. We'll add pressed garlic and saute for only 30 seconds. We'll then pour in chicken broth before adding pumpkin puree. We'll combine the ingredients, reduce the heat to medium-low, and then season with sriracha, herbe de Provence, pumpkin pie spice, which can be expensive when bought at the store, unless you make your own by clicking on the top right corner of your screen. Then we'll add ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. We'll stir the ingredients until well blended. We'll let it cook for a couple minutes before adding brown sugar. And of course, we'll stir again. Now, to give to the sauce a nice creamy texture, we'll pour in some heavy cream. As we whisk it into the mixture, the sauce will get nice and smooth. Look how beautiful it is. Now, don't forget to taste and adjust if necessary. So we'll bring the sauce to a gentle simmer. Then remove from the heat and spoon it over the pork chops. We'll put any extra sauce in a small bowl or ramekin. And my friends, these are our spicy pumpkin pork chops. This recipe will definitely surprise you because it's deliciously different. The combination of ingredients blends so well together, giving this recipe fabulous flavor. It's also a great way to use up your pumpkin puree leftovers. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!